scared. I know about this. I can zoom it closer, but it's just gonna be blurry. So I'm just gonna. Yeah, it'll show. You guys can see how far you guys actually go. I'm just gonna zoom up a little. I'm gonna go up a little bit. I wonder. Chris is gonna pull it.
Oh God. Do it.
It took her a minute. It took her a minute to scream. Chris would be laughing. He would be laughing.
That's fun as hell once you get used to it.
Oh shit. That's awesome.
She's still holding on to him.
Oh my God, it looks so real because you can hardly see the string, so it just looked like he just took off in flight. That was awesome.
Look at her. She's like, I'm done. I'm done. He's like, come on, flat with me, baby.
You're done, Diamond?
You're done, Diamond? Hold tight.
Yay, Diamond, you did it! Oh my God. This is awesome.
You started laughing.
Oh my God, I love these two. That was beautiful. I'm gonna keep this video forever. It's going on my YouTube.
I want to see little boys go.
Yeah, I want to see the little kids go.
They'll probably go faster. And they're light too. They're gonna be going flash. You will see. I know Diamond's gonna come out here.